Today we'll be reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and can anybody predict what might happen next? Yes, Susan?
He'll become a butterfly?
Let's read on and see. He was a beautiful butterfly. So today we will be learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. So based on the evidence from the text, we're going to see what the 4 stages are in the life of a butterfly. So let's write down that there are 4 stages. So let's start off with the first stage. So let's go back in the book and see how the butterfly starts off as. So on the first page we see, what does the first page say?
The first page says it's an egg.
Yes, the author writes, a little egg lay on a leaf. So let's write as first stage, a little egg lay on a leaf. So what is the key word in this sentence? Yes, Susan?
Egg.
Good job. Egg. That is his first stage in his life. So let's see what the second stage is. So he starts off as an egg. On the next page, he's no longer an egg. What is he? Yes?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. The author writes, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. So let's write that as the second stage. Came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. So what is the key word in this one? Yes?
Caterpillar.
Yes, good job. So let's go on to the third stage. So he turns into a caterpillar. We still see he's a caterpillar eating through all of this food. Still a caterpillar. And then he turned into a big caterpillar. However, what happens from this page to this page? What changed? Yes?
He turned into a cocoon.
Yes, he built a small house called a cocoon around himself. So that would be our third stage. last stage. And then, the last stage, he was a beautiful butterfly. So let's write that down. He was a beautiful butterfly. And what is the key word? And what was the key word in number 3? The third stage, yes?
Butterfly.
No, in the third stage.
Cocoon.
Yes. And in the fourth stage, butterfly. Good job. So, based on this story, and based on the 4 stages we just wrote on the board, everyone has a worksheet on the table. It says the life cycle of a butterfly worksheet, and there are 4 blank slots that you guys have to fill in. Just as a hint, please follow the arrows so you see the order that the butterfly evolves throughout the story. So I'll give you about a minute to complete this. Is everybody done with the worksheet?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go over the worksheet. So in the first slot, what would go in the first slot? Referring back to our book and also the 4 stages we have on the board. Yes?
An egg.
Good job. Egg. So please, everybody correct your worksheets if you have other answers. And what is the next stage? Yes?
A caterpillar.
Good job. And then what would be the third stage? Yes?
Cocoon.
Good job. And last but not least, what is the final stage in the life of a butterfly? Yes?
A butterfly.
Good job. Okay, so now we will be making diagrams. So before showing you the final product of what our diagrams will look like, I'll just show you the materials first, as well as the base. So this is what everybody in class will be getting today. You'll be getting a plastic paper plate, and then you will be getting construction paper that is divided into 4 sections. So what do you think the 4 sections will represent? Yes?
The life cycle of a butterfly.
Good job. The life cycle of the butterfly. So we read the book, we did the worksheet, and also we did the 4 stages written on the board. So there are 3 things you guys can refer back to in case you guys are confused. So let's look at some of the materials that we will be using. Everybody has these on their desks. We will be using pipe cleaners, brown and green. The green pipe cleaners will be used as the caterpillar, and the brown pipe cleaners will be used as to represent the cocoon. We will be using pretzels to represent the branch. We will be using fake flowers, plastic fake leaves. We'll be using black-eyed peas as the egg. And everybody has markers and scissors and glue on their baskets on their desks. So let's see what the final copy would look like. So this is what you guys will start off with. And you guys it shouldn't look exactly like the replica that I made, but something like this. So it starts off as an egg. The second stage would be a caterpillar. The third stage will be a chrysalis or a cocoon. And the fourth stage will be a butterfly. So if anybody needs help gluing it on or cutting out or making butterflies, I'll help you. So I will leave this model on the board so you guys can follow it. So I will give you guys about 20 minutes to complete this. So Susan, let me give you this. No, don't do it. So I'll help you guys out and put this on the board and number the stages in the correct order. Around it, I will also be writing some keywords that have to do with the life cycle of a butterfly that we've already spoken about. If anybody needs any help, you guys can ask. I'll just walk around to see how you guys are doing. Okay, so if you guys are not done with your cycles, we will always continue this tomorrow during our science lesson in case you guys are not done. But let's just quickly go over our homework assignment. So, for homework, you guys are responsible for making these life cycle booklets. So everybody will go home with a piece of construction paper. However, you guys will not be making these holes and ribbons. You will come into class and I'll hole punch them for you and tie the ribbons. So you all will be going home with a piece of construction paper, as well as 4 pieces of paper with each of one of the stages of the cycle of the butterfly. However, these will not be in order. You guys can refer back to your cycles to put them in the correct order. You guys will be getting a cocoon, caterpillar, beautiful butterfly, as well as an egg. So once you guys are done, make sure you just staple it and then fold your construction paper in half and stick it in like so. And you guys can be as creative as you want with these. For example, this is how my booklet looks like. First comes the egg, colored it in. Then comes the caterpillar. And then comes the cocoon. And then last but not least comes the beautiful butterfly. So please everybody complete your homework, complete your booklets for homework and bring them into class tomorrow so we can all share. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day.